Hello everyone, I am Ikrar and today I am going to tell you how to improve your English with the help of these 4 core concepts of English, which are listening, reading, writing and speaking. So let's start with reading. There is very obvious place to start reading practice, and which are books. Books not only help you to learn a new language, but it also help you to understand the culture behind the language. Well, thanks to internet, because paper books are not your only option to start reading practice. You can read online article, news, but keep that in mind. You have to start reading based on your interest. This is one of the reason people stop reading newspaper or novels because they didn't find it interesting and they start procrastinating and finally they stop reading. So it is very important to start choosing a genre which interests you. Number 2 is writing. You have to write. If you don't write, you won't know you are able to put your words into good sentences or not. Because at the end of the day, the better you can write, the better you can frame your thoughts and experiences into sentences. Because writing is the first time you are actively trying to participate in producing the language rather than consuming the language. Okay, so now the question will arise in your mind, but what we are gonna write? Well, I have answer for that. Start writing a diary, start a blog, or think about any topic and start writing about it. These things will help you to make your writing a habit. Number 3 is listening. Listening is the hardest skill for an English learner. Yeah, I know what you are thinking. That's not true. But let me explain. One of the reasons for this is that it is very easy to fall into the trap of passive listening and learning. People seem to think that just by watching American show and Hollywood movies, they are in the process of learning the language, but that's not true. Then you get frustrated when you find that you are actually making little no progress. This is because you can't just let words in and out from your ears. You have to use your brain and make it also a part of this process and study it properly. There are endless resources of listening in the market, audiobooks, podcasts, movie, music, but you have to examine that what is better for you and how can you utilize most out of it. That's the thing. And lastly, speaking. I know you are studying this language for years, still not able to be fluent with this language. I get it. Speaking a foreign language is a massive task. It is difficult, that's why you want to achieve it. Come on man, who want easy things? So if you want to be different, you have to do things differently. This is why I have made this my mission, to help you people to get over your fear of speaking English and start speaking English from the day you start learning. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a like and share it with someone whom you wish to help. And please don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I will be back with another such video. Until then, goodbye.